Hi, this is Jonna from Spectrum Lighting. Today we're going to be reviewing our Orion Pendant, which is part of our Speclume decorative series. We hand spin these shades right in our factory, and they come in 16, 24, and 30 inches in diameter, so they can get to be a good scale. What's distinct about this product is its beautiful glass diffuser, which hides the LED, but still allows a good light output. They go up to 5,500 lumens each. Another key feature of this product is that you can paint the exterior of this shade a different finish from the interior. This is effective when you look across the room and you can see your corporate color inside, or in a restaurant setting, a nice warm bronze color to warm the ambient, but it does not affect the color of the light. That means that you could have a 35K downlight with this teal interior in an office setting, but it wouldn't turn the desks teal, which is important. Again, this is our Orion Pendant, part of our Speclume decorative series. We want to thank you again for choosing Spectrum Lighting.